sortir que ça va rentrer. Ah ben... celui qui était...
I think Spencer's the real hero. He was the first one to jump on him. He's the one who got cut up. Like, none of us are injured, but Spencer took a few injuries, and he just had no fear. And that's our friend. So once we saw him go, we had to go join him. Like, we couldn't just let everybody die like that. It was a crazy situation. Woke up to basically people ducking, and then I was like, why is everybody ducking? And then I turned around to look, and he had just entered the gunman entered the car with the AK, and then I was like, this is really happening. And then the next thing I heard, he just screamed, Spencer, go. And then Spencer got up, he got up, and then I saw them get up, so I got up. And then we just all ran back there, and we tried to, like, do whatever we could to beat him up, like, just so he didn't shoot anybody. He pulled out a box cutter and cut Spencer a couple times, but beside that, we just tried to do whatever we could. And then next thing you know, he was there too. We were all, like, just trying to tie him up. He was clearing the gun, and it was just like, it all happened so fast, basically. We heard the word go, and everybody just got up, basically.